7 a.m. We have to get some things for Charlie, our new dog. Oh, you silly dog. Actually, we could. Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So, okay, I'm recording. So, welcome back to my video. So, I'm gonna get some stuff for Charlie. Yep, some stuff. Okay, so Charlie, stay here. How's Jay? Can you wake up? Oh, yeah. Can you wake up Timmy and I wake up the twins? Yes. Timmy, wake up. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. Okay, remember to get dressed. Okay. Brush my teeth. Yep. Okay, let's see what kind of clothes should I wear. This one? Nope. This one? No. This one? I like this one. This one's awesome. I'm all ready. Twins, wake up. Ah, let me get my glasses. Is this the right drawer? Yes. Here, I'll get it for you. Oh, thanks. I'm gonna change it to this kind of clothes. I'm gonna keep mine. We're getting some things for Charlie. Charlie! Okay, I wanna hold the dog. Okay, but be careful. Okay, I'm gonna have to get changed. Let's get changed. With this. Ooh, I look fantastic. Just think I need to bring my horse. Okay, let's go. Wait, we shouldn't. I think Charlie should stay here. Because what if he causes a mess in there? I don't know. Maybe we should bring him. Actually, we should let him stay here so he can spend time in the house. I'll invite my sisters and my brother to take care of him. I'll just have to wait for them. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Wonderful. So here's the new dog. His name is Charlie, and no worry, no allergies. Okay, that's good. We'll take care of him. Thank you, guys. Wow, look at this place. It really has like a lot of things. Yeah, I know. Okay, go find some things. I'm gonna look for things here. We'll look for some things here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna get some snacks. Make sure you behave. Should we give him like that? He can have the bath house. We should probably like right here. Just in case he needs his hair to get perfect. What should we get here? Well, he's a dog, so What food should we give him, brother? Well, he's a dog, and according that dogs kind of feel like this. And we can get some accessories. Accessories. That's what I say. I don't really see anything. Do you think that's it? And here you go, Julia. You get free food since you feel fantastic. Thank you, but I'm still gonna pay you. Oh, thank you, Julia. You're welcome. Oh, glad you got this stuff. We got this kind of stuff, and this, and this. I didn't get anything. I didn't know what to get. But it looks like we got everything. Let's see how Charlie likes it. Good job, Charlie. You can see. We're back. Oh, thank you. What's Charlie's doing? He's sleeping. He's kind of tired after all of this playing. So bye. Thank you, guys. He's gonna be so happy when he wakes up and sees us with all of these cool stuff. Yep. And hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to press the notification bell so you can see our videos every single day. And also, remember to give all of our videos thumbs up, and and also remember to subscribe. Thank you guys. We love you so much. Yeah, we love you so much. You're important to us. Yes, you are, and I bet Charlie likes you as well. Well, bye guys. In the next video, we're going to make videos of my family and me and Charlie playing all together with his stuff. Yeah, let's bless him. Oh, to me. Well, bye guys.